All right, we're here to take a look at the Attendant Pro for Lync working with Better Together over Ethernet, a Lync qualified device connected to the PC with Better Together over Ethernet. And we are using a SNOM UC edition to do this demo. So first of all, we're going to do an incoming call. And the call will come in on Attendant Pro. So you'll notice the call is coming in over here. And the SNOM phone is also ringing. So we can click answer. All right, so now we have the call. And we can put the call on hold using the standard Attendant Pro methods, like clicking on the screen. And or we can use the hotkey, which is by default F7. So, and then F8 to retrieve. Or, of course, we can use the SNOM phone button. So I'm going to press the button on the phone. And you'll notice no matter where we do it, it takes effect in Attendant Pro. So we can also transfer the call. So let's do a blind transfer. So we click on blind transfer, or we could use the hotkey. And then we go over here and transfer it to, let's say, this user right here. All right, so now we used Attendant Pro to do that transfer. All right, so what we've noticed is a Lync qualified device with Better Together over Ethernet connected to a PC running Attendant Pro. The functionality can, so if someone wants to just make calls using their phone, they can just dial the phone, use it as such. If they want to transfer using a phone, go ahead and do that. But if they want more efficient call handling for searching users, for example, so let's do that again. Let's get another incoming call. This time we're going to answer using the F6 answer key. Okay, so we have an incoming call. I'm just going to press the F6 on the keyboard, and we're going to press to transfer. The hotkey is F9. And now I'm going to type in an extension, enter, enter, and it's transferred. So there you saw using the keyboard, really controlling the SNOM device or the Lync qualified device. And so if you want to make an outgoing call, it's just the same. So for example, we dial 104, or we can search by a name. Hit enter, enter, and now we're making an outgoing call.
Please leave a message.
Of course, we can hit F10. And I'm not sure we already showed this, but we can click on the voicemail to get the voicemail. We can do park from Attendant Pro. We can do transfers. Anything we need to do can be done from Attendant Pro. Tethered to or a Lync qualified phone with Better Together over Ethernet, tethered to Attendant Pro. Now, there's a couple limitations. They're not big, but they are there. At this time, the Lync SDK and the Lync qualified devices do not support safe transfer. So, but any other transfer type can be done. I'm trying to think. I think mute needs to be done from the phone. So if you make a call, let me just check that here. And this is really a limitation of the devices. And so let's see, find mute.
You have one new voice message and one new email message.
So it mutes it at the device, and you need to do that if you're using that. Another thing, if you're on with a Lync qualified device, or at least the SNOM UC edition, and the call, let's say, gets bumped to the video, it will switch to a headset if you have a headset connected to the device. So Attendant Pro for Lync does work with Lync qualified devices, Better Together over Ethernet, tested with SNOM UC edition v3, and Attendant Pro for Lync and Better Together over Ethernet.